New Zealand has been selling public assets for nearly 40 years. Let's see what it's cost us. Telecom, built by the public over decades, sold in 1990 for $4.25 billion. Within 9 years, it paid out $5.5 billion dividends, and it valued nearly quadrupled. Over 80% of the wealth went offshore. Even the Prime Minister who presided over the deal called it a mistake. Our rail network sold in 93. The buyers paid $107 million for their own money, borrowed the rest, immediately stripped out hundreds of millions of equity, pocketed $370 million in profit, then announced they were pulling out of passenger rail entirely. The government had to buy the network back. Our power companies, corporatised, broken up, and progressively privatised since the late 80s. Contact sold off entirely. Then 2013 and 2014, 49% of Mercury, Meridian and Genesis floated to private shareholders. Since then, for every dollar invested in new power generation, $2.41 went out the door in dividends. Generating capacity grew by 1% and your power bills went up. The pattern is always the same. Sell it cheap, strip its value, underinvest, leave the public to pick up the bill. Every time someone says we need to sell assets to pay services, remember, we have tried that constantly and we are currently paying for it.